Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use bullet points on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go to and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section, just type Google Docs, hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. From here, just hit the first link, make sure not an advertisement, which will take you again into this page. Of course, here, if you have an account, you would like to click a sign in option, but if you don't have an account, you would like to click a sign up for free to create your account. Once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here at this homepage or this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to use bullet points on the Google Docs. So of course, first of all, you would like to create a document. You can create a blank one, you can choose some of the provided templates, or you can just go and open some of recent documents. For me, I'm just going to open a recent document, which is actually empty, but whatever. So once I opened my documents, all I need to do now is just click a number or bullet or checkbox. So let's just pass this. Let's just go now to format. And now what I would like to do is just go here to bullets and numbering. Now, what I would like to choose a new, like a numbered list or a bulleted list, and of course from here I can choose one. Of course, you can even like make a custom one, but I would like or I would suggest you to use just one of those because it's simple and easy. So, sorry, I did something wrong. Let's just do this, and now we can write something. And as you can see, now you will be able even to check it if you want, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Of course, when you share this to anyone, they will be actually be able to check the boxes as well. So it will be good to use it for like questions or something like that. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.